It's like an edgy day with the potential of some stress. Let's break it down. Red Robe Astrology for September 22nd. So, Mars is in a Sesca square with Saturn today. Sesca square, 135-degree angle, is just the bother and frustration geometry. And when it's Mars, it's about actions, movement, behaviors, things we want to accomplish. And Saturn is always going to throw the brakes on a little bit. And when the geometry is frustrating like this is about minor problems for sure, minor but pervasive. This is a problem-solving transit, make no mistake about it, but there might be a greater emphasis on the problem than on the solving. The sun is adding to the potential of stress today by Sesca squaring that same frustration geometry, Jupiter. This is about over-the-top energy where our reactions will be bigger perhaps than the inciting incident that sparks the reaction, right? So watch out for overvaluing things or just reacting too big based on what you're being presented with. And the combo of these two transits is what makes things stress. This could actually be a very productive day. This is friction. Friction can be guided and directed. But this is the kind of friction that as you try and guide and direct, it might, just rub you the wrong way. We're also in the third quarter moon. That won't help. That means the moon and the sun are in a square 1 week after the new moon. So our outer and inner experience is a little bit out of balance from that. The moon will trine the north node. That means connections and cooperation. A sextile from the moon to Saturn means stability and focus and will offset the Saturn challenges a little bit. The moon starts the day in Sagittarius, and the stress is front-loaded in the day. There's a tiny little void moon, 40 minutes long, and at 1:20 p.m. Pacific time. The moon moves into Capricorn. Saturn rulership takes over for the day, and there's a much more grounded and stable energy in the second half of the day. It gets a little more focused. Have at it.